Good afternoon, students. In previous video we saw how to start with designing a website. We have created a home page and other categories link. Now we will continue with that and move forward. Now here you can see we have created a home page that is with the name index. This is a page we have created and these are the links. Now we will see how to proceed with creating other pages. So first of all, again I will start with a composer and I will open my index file. Now you can see here my index file is created and the sources are also changed. Now what we have to do, we have to simply go to the location where my file is saved. Now I'll create a copy and I'll paste it for 3 times. Paste and paste. You can see 4 pages are created. Okay, now I'll make the changes. I'll rename the pages. So here I'm writing cotton_bag. Here I'm writing jute_bag, and here I'm writing leather_bag. Now how this name came, that is I have given these names in my coding. You can see here index page. You can see here in the source part you can see the coding. Here it is cotton bag, here it is jute bag, and here it is leather bag. Okay, now these 3 pages are created. Now we will modify each and every page. I am minimizing it. We will modify each and every page. First we will start with the cotton bag. So let's open cotton bag. Now majorly 4 to 5 changes you have to make in each page, right? So here the first important change, that is compulsory change, select this cotton bag category link and remove the link. Why we remove the link? Because when we click on the cotton bag we are in the same page, so we don't need that page as a link. Okay, so I am removing this page, removing this link. Second thing, go to format, page title and properties, and change the name from index to cotton bags. Okay, these 2 changes are there. Now change the product images. Here image, don't use alternate text, dimension 200, appearance 5 2. Okay. Now for the simplicity I am keeping all the images same. You can change by its your own. To save the time I am just keeping the images same. I am copying it and pasting it over here. Paste. Now by clicking here you can put the bag name or simply price rupees 199. Rupees 249. Rupees 299. And likewise you can make changes in each and every product. Okay, so here I have made this 3 changes. Now I can change the color of this table here. So this 4 to 5 changes I have made, and I am just saving it. Same way I am opening a jute bag. In a jute bag also I am changing first thing I am in a jute bag, so I will select this and remove the link. Okay, second, go to format, page title and property. Here I have to change in jute bag. Okay, then changing it, image, select the image of jute bag. Suppose this is my jute bag. Opening it, don't use alternate text, dimension 200, appearance 5, 5 and 2. Here also Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 changes, 4 and any other page background color. Okay, so again I am saving it, opening leather bag. I am changing the color. I am changing the color of okay. Now 3 changes, major 3 changes, that is leather, remove link, go to format, page title and property, and here it should be changed, leather bags. Okay, all these are leather bags, so I am not changing it. Save. Now we can see our website how it is looking. This is my index page. You can see here cotton bag, you can see jute bag, we can see, and leather bag we can see. Now the majorly home page we have to change. Why? Because the home page contain all the products, as I said in a previous video, that is it should have offers, and some offers should be provided over here. So I am changing the home page now. Okay, instead of products I am writing here, I am providing offers. Now here I can provide any kind of offer, so I am selecting here, I am providing buy 2 leather bags and get 1 cotton bag free. buy 3 jute bags and get 1 cotton bag free. Here we can provide term and condition. Here also I can provide term and condition, apply. We can provide many type of offers. So currently I am putting only 2 offers. I can modify it as align center. I can change the fonts. If I wish, I can add image also. Insert, and then from here I can add image. Don't use alternate text. Dimension 300 by 200. Okay. You can see here. Okay, and removing this link, remove link. Okay, save. Now you can see this is my website page, this is index page. You can see offers are there, home page. I am on home page, so there is no link for home page. As I am clicking on cotton bag, there is no link for cotton bag because I am on a cotton bag only. From cotton bag I am jumping to jute bag. You can see from jute bag I am jumping to leather bag. Again home, right? So this is the basic layout of our website. Now some important points I have to discuss here, that is the pages which we have created in the index page. We have simply given a name, right? So all the pages, that is all the linking pages, must be at the same place where the index file is saved, right? My index file is saved in one folder, so all the 3 pages should be at the same place. Same way, all the images which we are using must be at the same place. So all the images are here only. Okay, this. Second thing, whenever we are creating a page, that first page should be the index page, that is our home page. Now you can see from the home page I have copied all the pages, and then after I have changed it into offers. Now you can see why I have not changed the offers page, the home page, in the initial part, right? So this is the simplest and the shortest way to design a website of 3 to 4 pages. Okay, so hope you understand. Study this practical, and if you have any kind of doubt, please put a comment below the window.